Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, northwestern Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:42 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Riverside Reservoir, or 24 miles east of Greeley, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Jackson Reservoir, Orchard, Riverside Reservoir, and Goodrich. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1:00 a.m. for northeastern Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards
There's a severe thunderstorm warning. There is a tornado watch also in effect. It hasn't toned yet. Where is it? There. Hasn't toned yet. It's flagged for a particularly dangerous situation. Weld County is here. It's right above Fort Morgan, and it is not included in it. And I think Weld County is the furthest one that my station tones for. So we probably can't get the tornado watch, but we do have the SVR here, and so that is going to be pretty cool. Also, I'm going to update some things that I do with the EAS. I'm going to start putting sometimes the little, I'm going to start putting that on the side of the EAS whenever they tweet it, so that I can sort of show you guys what it looks like. Because I think this diagram looks a lot cooler than wherever it is IM bots. Like, that's just not as cool. So, yeah. Tornado watch!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch 223 in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 2 counties in east central Colorado: Elbert, Lincoln. This includes the cities of Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Lemon. Primary threats include a couple tornadoes, possible scattered large hail, and isolated very large hail events to 2.5 inches in diameter, likely scattered.
I've never seen it go red like that.
70 miles an hour possible. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watched area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Here is the...
Let's go! Tornado watch! Here we go! SVR.
National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Elbert County until 2:30
It's on my watch.
p.m. At 1:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Elbert, or 23 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Elbert. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for east central Colorado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For full information, visit www.weather.gov/Denver or mobile.weather.gov. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Elbert County, southwest northwestern Lincoln County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:21 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles west of Kutch to 9 miles southwest of Trenton, or along a line extending from 28 miles southwest of Lemon to 29 miles northeast of Pueblo, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Forder, Kutch, and Pumpkin Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is...
Why is the river so high? There's a whole sandbar there. What?